In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to your Apple Pencil. So let's get started. First, I want you to figure out whether you have a first generation or a second generation Apple Pencil. The first generation Apple Pencil should have a slide off at the end, and you'll see that it has a port at the end that can a connector essentially that connects to your iPad straightforward and connects it directly. On the other hand, the second gen pencil has nothing. It's a normal simple pencil. It's just that it has a magnetic connector instead. Well, this matters because the pairing process for each of the pencil is quite different. Now, before we get to connecting the pencils to the iPad, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. You can do this by going to settings and then to Bluetooth, or just swipe down from the top right of your iPad to open your control center and make sure the Bluetooth option is turned on and blue, right? If that's done, now if you have the first generation pencil, you want to remove the cap like I showed you so. Right here, you want to remove the cap like this, and then you want to just go ahead and plug into your iPad's lightning port. You will see a pairing prompt appear on the screen. Just tap here and you're done, just like here. You can see how it's plugged in into your iPad right there. Now, if you have a second generation pencil, just attach it to the magnetic edge of your iPad, and the iPad will detect the pencil and show a pairing prompt, and just go ahead and tap here and it's done, just like here. You can see how you attach the second generation pencil to the right side of your iPad and the prompt appears, and you can go ahead and just pair it up. Now you can just go ahead and open any app that supports Apple Pencil like Notes and just go ahead and try drawing. If it works, you're all set. Pressure sensitivity, tilt, and handwriting should work immediately. Now on the offhand chance that it just doesn't pair, make sure Bluetooth is on, make sure it's charged, make sure just try resetting your iPad if needed perhaps. But for first gen, try unplugging and replugging it. That should work. But for second gens, just remove and reattach magnetically. Perhaps try offing Bluetooth and try reopening it, and maybe it works. So yeah, connecting an Apple Pencil to your iPad is really straightforward. First gen plugs in, second gen snaps on magnetically, and you're ready to draw, take notes, or annotate. And that's it. Once it's paired, you can start drawing or creating instantly. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.